Jamie says, what's the difference between test good E85 pump gas and your VP E85?
Main thing is going to be water content. If you buy the VP E85 or anything in a sealed drum, it's not going to have hardly any water content to it. You buy anything out of a pump at a gas station, it's going to have water content to it. Ethanol draws water like crazy. So that's going to be your primary difference. And, normally if you buy E85 from a reputable race gas company, you're not going to have rust from the bottom of the tank in it. You're not going to have all the bullshit contamination that you've got in out of a pump. The other thing is, honestly, it's always within a half a point as far as the gasoline content to the ethanol content. Whereas, pump E85 can vary quite a bit.
Well, and wouldn't you also say too that it's partly what it's cut with? So, you're going to start with E100, which is going to be 100% ethanol. But since you can't even sell that 15% that is to get it down to an E85.
Well, race gas company is going to cut it with race gas.
Right.
And whereas, pump gas is just going to be pump gas.
Yeah. So it's going to be cut with pump gas. So that other 15%, am I right in that whole proofing thing?
To me, it's always better to buy it from a reputable, fuel manufacturer, not out of a pump. If that's your only option, then that's your only option. But I would certainly be testing it, as you're pumping it out of the tank.
Well, and then you've also, you've worked with this for a while. And so you've seen multiple barrels. And with those multiple barrels, have you seen any difference with a barrel of VP's X85 and then another barrel of X85 and you get on the dyno, and do you have to do any adjustments to the carburetor? Are you seeing that consistency from barrel to barrel?
Very consistent.
And whereas with the pump equivalent, you wouldn't quite see that same level of consistency. Great to know.